I am Shekhar Reddy, Vice President of CREDAI National and also President of CREDAI Andhra Pradesh. CREDAI Andhra Pradesh is a state level federation. We have about 16 chapters in our state and we have about 1300 members here. Whereas CREDAI National, we have about 117 chapters and we have 8,800 members in this country. And CREDAI is an apex body for the real estate developers in our country. 13 years back, so we thought that any other industry, CA, FICCI, NASCOM, so the real estate industry at those days, it was totally unorganized sector. So we all of us thought that we should bring entire this industry into organized sector. So that is how the CREDAI has come into picture. After that, over a period of time, now our presence is there everywhere, and in the process to help the consumer to deliver a absolute property to a consumer, a clean property, quality property at affordable cost. So we tried our level best to bring lot of reforms in the industry, and also we approached the various state governments and also Government of India and local bodies for a lot of reforms and also rationalization of taxation. And in the process to discipline our own members, we have introduced self-code of conduct. All our members have to sign the self-code of conduct, and part of this self-code of conduct we have consumer grievance cell also, a code of conduct. See, any member, whenever he is coming out with a project, he offers certain amenities, specification and quality and delivery timings. So the code says, whatever you are promising, you have to deliver. In case if the project is delayed, in your agreement, that means the developer's agreement, he has to have a clause, how he is going to compensate the customer. He has to justify that. And if the consumer is not happy with the developer, particularly our member only, he can approach the consumer grievance cell in the CREDAI chapter. And we entertain both the complaints from the builder and the consumer, and we pass a judgment. If our developer is, most of the cases, 99% of the cases, our developers are within 120 days, they are resolving all the problems. Various cities across the country, and lot of citizens are asking the developers, whenever they approach the developer for booking the apartments, they are asking, are you a member of CREDAI? So that is the status of CREDAI as and today in the country. It has its own reputation. In case if any developer is not fulfilling the judgment of the chapter, then he will be suspended from the membership.